All right, welcome back, welcome back. Oh, child, the weave doctor's tied tonight. But we're just going to show you how this is our Cambodian custom unit. And we are tired with sticky. We're just going to show you how to wake up to beautiful voluminous curls like you have before you. So pretty much, this is our bang area. Ah! And we're just going to take this up. Now this is a very thick section like you see. And so pretty much this is my bang section. So I'm just going to pin curl this. Wrap it around till I get to the end. Almost like I have an invisible roller. And don't, I normally don't do it too tight. Because, we don't want no, those throwback curls from back in the 60s. Okay, so you see that? That's the first one, honey. And then for this one, we're going to do the same, similar type of pattern. So we can have some volume at the top of our unit. And this is a removable unit. We do not have any adhesive on this particular unit. It has been a long day, and I cannot wait to go to bed. Okay. Boop, boop. All right. Looking like the black version of Marilyn Monroe. Okay, now the next section. And I guess this is about the width of my hand almost, some of these sections. So I guess maybe like 4 or 5 inches. So nothing, when we're doing this method, nothing is wrong with trying to take large parting areas. Because the flexi rods, that's what the whole purpose is of the bar, so that you don't have to, it doesn't require a lot of maintenance and rolling. I remember when they used to my mother used to roll my hair with them little soft sponge rollers back in the day. You had to put like 20-something rollers in your head for your hair to look right. But now, thank God for flexi rods, okay? And as you see, it's doing another diagonal. And this is probably like maybe almost around the center of my head or a little bit less. And we're going to take this whole section over here. So everything that is going to be, because this is how our hair is going to fall. I know I keep taking too much and then putting it back and vice versa. I need to make up my mind. Okay, so this is going to take care of this section. And we're just going to, this is for people who want their hair to fall back off the face. I kind of like that because it kind of reminds me of like, I guess, Farrah Fawcett. Okay. And we had, oh, and I almost forgot, we need to do another little bump curl at the top. So we won't have a flat weave. We need some volume, honey. We just want to comb that. Like so. Wrap our fingers around it. Use our bobby pins. And that's pretty much how you pin curl too. Pin curl is very easy to do. At least it's easy to me. I know a lot of my clients struggle and say that it's terrible. Okay, so we have another section. And this one is about maybe almost the width of my hand. So these are not no small sections. And this comes in a pack of 6. I'm trying to use the whole entire pack without having to open up another one because I cannot even find it. I haven't rolled my hair in a long time. But I've been wanting curls lately. And I'm too lazy to flat iron them every day like I used to do when I was 20. When I didn't have as many clients, so I had time for that. Now I ain't got no time for that. Okay. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. So now you pretty much see that our whole head is going to be rolled up in about less than 6 or 7 minutes. And if this camera cuts off, then you already know the deal, honey. It was time to go in the first place. I think we probably have another minute and a half left. That means I need to delete some more footage on my phone. Okay, and this is the last little section. And make sure you get you a nice wide tooth comb or brush. They're like, this is a good teeth comb size. You don't want to be ripping out your bundles that you paid so much money for. That just defeats the purpose. And so, as you see, we started like midpoint, wrapped it around at the end, and then we pulled it up. Now I'm going to do, I guess, another one just to show you that one more time before it turns off. I'm going to start in the middle, wrap it around, and then roll it up. All right, we hope that was helpful, and we hope that you have a wonderful, good night, peaceful sleep. Later till next time. Bye.